Let us talk about money-saving tips for kids and teens. In a world that increasingly emphasizes financial literacy, teaching kids and teens the value of money and the importance of saving is an essential life skill. Money-saving habits cultivated at a young age can pave the way for a financially responsible and secure future. This video explores practical and engaging money-saving tips designed to instill financial responsibility in kids and teens, setting the stage for a lifetime of wise financial decisions. Introduce the concept of a savings jar, a physical container where kids and teens can deposit spare change or a portion of their allowance. Watching the jar fill up over time provides a tangible representation of their savings progress. Encourage kids and teens to set specific savings goals. Whether it's saving for a toy, a gadget, or a special outing, having a goal in mind makes the saving process more rewarding and teaches the importance of planning for future needs. Teach the distinction between needs and wants. Help kids and teens understand that while some purchases are necessary, others are optional. This awareness promotes thoughtful spending and encourages them to prioritize their expenses. Introduce the concept of earning money through completing chores. Assign age-appropriate tasks and attach a small monetary value to each. This not only teaches the value of hard work but also provides an opportunity to earn and save. Teach the skill of comparing prices when making purchases. Whether shopping for toys, snacks, or school supplies, encourage kids and teens to look for the best deals and consider value for money. This habit fosters smart consumer behavior. If kids and teens receive allowances, help them create a simple budget. Allocate funds for spending, saving, and, if applicable, charitable giving. Learning to manage a budget at a young age sets the foundation for responsible financial management. For older kids and teens, consider opening a savings account. This introduces them to the concept of banking, interest, and the benefits of saving in a secure environment. Many banks offer special savings accounts tailored for young savers. Discuss the pitfalls of impulse purchases and the importance of thinking before buying. Encourage kids and teens to pause and consider whether they genuinely need an item or if it's a fleeting desire. This habit prevents unnecessary spending. Foster creativity and resourcefulness by engaging in do-it-yourself projects. Whether it's making their own snacks, crafting, or repurposing items, DIY activities not only provide a sense of accomplishment but also save money. Finally, teach kids and teens that making mistakes is a natural part of the learning process. If they overspend or make a financial misstep, discuss the situation calmly and help them understand the consequences. This approach fosters resilience and a willingness to learn from experiences. Money-saving tips for kids and teens are not just about accumulating wealth. They are about instilling core values of responsibility, resourcefulness, and financial awareness. By providing practical tools and fostering a positive attitude toward money, parents and educators contribute to shaping a generation that approaches finances with confidence and a sense of empowerment. The lessons learned today lay the groundwork for a financially secure and mindful tomorrow. Why is it important to teach kids and teens about money saving from a young age? Teaching money saving from a young age instills essential financial habits and skills. It helps children and teens develop a sense of responsibility, understand the value of money, and prepares them for making wise financial decisions in the future. How can parents encourage their kids and teens to save money without making it feel like a chore? Parents can make saving fun and rewarding by introducing activities like setting savings goals, using a savings jar, and offering positive reinforcement. Making the process enjoyable and tying it to specific goals makes saving a positive and engaging experience. What are effective ways to differentiate between needs and wants when teaching money saving to kids and teens? Differentiating between needs and wants involves discussing the necessity of certain purchases versus optional ones. Parents can guide their children to prioritize essential items, emphasizing the importance of budgeting for needs before considering wants. At what age should kids and teens be introduced to the concept of a savings account? Introducing the concept of a savings account can vary, but generally, as kids enter their pre-teen and early teenage years, they can start understanding the basics of banking. Many banks offer specialized accounts for young savers, providing a safe introduction to financial institutions. How can parents address impulse buying and teach their kids and teens to make thoughtful purchasing decisions? Parents can address impulse buying by discussing the consequences of impulsive decisions and encouraging a pause before making purchases. Teaching kids to think critically about whether they truly need an item and promoting a consideration of long-term goals helps develop thoughtful spending habits. Like the video and remember to subscribe to our channel.